Okay, so today we are going to show you how we make our vanilla honey cinnamon iced coffee. And it's really simple. You just start off with a regular cup of coffee, and we use almond milk. You can use milk. You can even add some heavy cream, regular sugar, whatever. We use honey. Okay, so I'm going to start by making a regular cup of coffee. So I'm just going to fill up my little coffee pot here. So I'm going to let this sit out and cool to room temperature before we do anything else.
I'm going to start with a couple teaspoons of honey. And then I'm going to use about a teaspoon and a half of vanilla syrup. Now I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I'm going to whisk it together. Now I'm going to add the ice to the cup. And then add the syrup. Now I'm going to add the coffee. Then I'm going to add some almond milk to fill it all the way to the top.
And it is delicious. You should definitely try this. It's very, very simple and very delicious.